What's going on? Sorry, the text message. What's going on, y'all? It's been forever. I know I have not been posted in a while. It's just because I've been running Amazon loads, and it's like, how many of those videos? Like, how many of those videos can you do? What am I about to do one today? So it's Saturday right now. It's like 3:30 p.m. This is my first earliest load I've done, actually. So I just got it off the load board. It is going to South Carolina. So we in for a journey today, y'all. So I'm about to do this pre-trip inspection and all that good stuff, and this is the first time I've actually gone to the MGE 8, I think that's Atlanta, on Derrick Road. I'm usually at East Point, so I'm about to go there, pick up, go to South Carolina, and then we don't see how this load goes. I hope it's a really good load, and yeah, y'all, so let's go and stop taking cheap freight, please. Thanks. Alrighty, y'all, so we are here at the Amazon facility. Let's see where I go, y'all. I'm not running late, but I like to be 30 minutes early, but since this was like legit a last minute load, I can't even be 30 minutes early, but it is what it is, because now I'm gonna have them authorize my badge because I haven't been here before. So let's hope everything goes smoothly today, because I'm just ready to drop this off and then call it a night. When I get back, it's gonna be a night, so slow down, so they try to ban me. But yeah. Okay, so where do I go? I'm so lost. Amazonians, what the hell? Inbound only truck? Okay. Amazonians. I'm crying. How do they call themselves Amazonians? Alrighty, where is y'all? I am so lost. What the heck? Come on, guys. Like, y'all, so I had to end up coming back around to the front to get into the main entry before you could check me in. So let me get my badge. Alrighty, y'all. So I finally got my badge. I am about 10 minutes in. So it's 4:10 now. Supposed to be here at 4:40, but it's alright. I'll just have to report the delay. Whatever. Let's go. Y'all, I'm literally like the only one here. Literally like the only one here. Y'all, this is all I got. This is all I got, and I'm checking out early too. Thank you, Jesus. This is all I have. All right, y'all, let's get out of here. I'm on my way to South Carolina. So where these packages are, they are the leftovers from yesterday where they can't fit on somebody else's truck, or they just didn't make it to the next stop, which this time is Greenville. Here I go, and that was just such an easy loading, y'all. If all of my loads could be like this, except I do want a little bit more per mile. I want to hit that $4 mark. I usually hit $4 mark, but this is far, so it's only paying like $3.14 per mile. $3.14, that is. But y'all, I'm going in this truck. I haven't driven this long in a minute. I'm glad it's daytime though. So I'll see y'all. Let's see.
Thank you for playing. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Don't fuss and fight. Let us unite. We got one life. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. So yeah, though I walk through the valleys of the shadows of death, I will fear no evil, won't be dismayed when I see the clock ticking away and things are not in place. Everything in life happens for a reason. Disappointment comes with a lesson. It's for me to get wiser, got to work harder. In the end,
That's my baby parked there right there. And we about to drop off these two pallets, and I'm gonna go enjoy my Saturday night. I deserve it. I deserve to be loved. Ooh, look at the moon. But yeah, y'all, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Oh. Yes, sir. He is here. It's nice over here in Greenville. I don't know if anybody's here. I don't think anybody's here at all. Nobody's here. Nobody's here, y'all. And I mean, I'm not supposed to be here anyway until 8:43. It's 7:51. I hate when I have to wait. Alrighty, buddy. They are here. They are here, buddy. They are here. They're here. They're here. They're done. Out of here. On my way to Atlanta. See y'all in the recap video. And got a blast. Pew! What's up, y'all? Welcome to the recap video. Yeah, y'all. So this was a very easy load. Thank God for it. Let me actually pull up this load board real quick if anything else pops up. But yes, y'all, it was such a great load. Very easy. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. So yeah, and as we all see, if we run an Amazon, we all see the low rates, $1 something per mile. Like, how can you possibly? I don't know how you can possibly make a profit from that, because I know my expenses alone are that. So if you want to make a profit, you cannot be taking stuff for $1 something a mile, because after debt, including even this 3 something per mile, I always aim for $4 or more. I don't know why this is not refreshing like it needs to, but but yeah, I don't know how y'all people are accepting this. Like, the reason Amazon is doing that is because they know people are accepting it. Like, there's no reason that a $600 load paying $1 something per mile should be off the low board just like that, because it doesn't make sense. Don't just look at the $600. How much does it cost you to start your truck? How much does it cost you to get your truck running? Like, how much deadhead? Like, it just does not make any sense, and it just messes it up for the rest of us. Like, the rates last year from what I'm seeing from YouTube and this year, completely different. So everybody's like, where's peak season? What's peak season? How are these rates gonna look? And I don't think they're gonna look much better than this, to be honest. There may be more loads, more bad paying loads. There may be more loads. I'm sure there'll be more loads, but because loads are popping up on a low board. But y'all, just please, just hold out, because Amazon, they're gonna see that you are accepting those low rates, and it's just not good at all. Even this $3.14 a mile, like, yeah, it was cool, but I would like $4. So because I come back empty, so we have to take into effect I just deadheaded back 160 miles. So after I do all my expenses and stuff, that's probably gonna be like $1.50 per mile, maybe, if I'm lucky. So yeah, but yeah, so it was a cool trip though. I'm glad for the change. Anyways, y'all, I'm sorry. I know it's been a while. I'm gonna start posting more. All I do is Amazon, so it's like, okay, what else? Okay, so the next video I'll do is gonna be like, I'm gonna say how I got my truck. That's the next video I'm gonna do. How I got my truck, where I got my truck, how much I paid for my truck. Because these trucks nowadays, $60,000, $50,000. Oh my gosh, I got lucky. Blessed, it was God. But I'm rambling at this point, y'all. So thank you so much for checking out yet another video. Please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you won't miss any of the latest content. And until next video, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all